What's up, Pokemon collectors? Pokemon Central here with his brother. We did pick up 6 booster packs of Ancient Origin from our local Target. And yeah, we did get a few artworks. They didn't have many. Those are the only 2 that I got, and they're all repeats on the other ones for some reason. And yeah. So these are 6 that we opened, hoping to pull something nice out of them. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and here we go. First pack. Okay, so we got Ace Trainer. We got a Metane, a Hex Maniac, a Golurk, a Persian, a Bow Toy, a Inkay, a Goomy, a Reverse Rotom, and an Ancient Trait Gyarados. We did pull one of these earlier. We did pull one again. We are gonna sleeve him up. Okay, so here we go. Take a look at him one more time. And we are going to our second pack. Hoping to pull out something. We're hoping to pull out a ultra rare. But who knows? Never know. We could not. I don't know. So we got a Lysandre, Vaporeon, Gloom, Malamar, Goomy, Wooper, Magikarp, Inkay, Reverse Hex Maniac, and an Ancient Trait non-hollow Metagross. Rare, which is not bad at all. And here we are on the third pack. So, okay, so here goes nothing. We got a Ariados, Tyranny Spirit Link, Sliggoo, Quasar, Combi, Malamar, Larvesta, Golett, a Reverse Blossom, and none other than Gold Border. I believe this is a secret rare. It is a secret rare trainer male. Beautiful secret rare. 100 out of 98. We did pull one of these out yesterday. It ain't the same one. It is different from a different set, I believe, but none other. This is our second secret rare in our second day, so pretty nice. Here we go with we still got 3 packs left. Hoping to pull out at least something else decent, even though after that secret rare, which is pretty good. Not expecting too much, anything after that. Curlia, Sableye, Forest of Giant Plants, Inkay, Oddish, Beldum, Goomy, Meowth, a Reverse Porygon 2, and a Machamp EX. We did pull one of these out from a blister pack earlier, but none other than another Machamp EX. sleeved up. I know you guys don't like when they're not sleeved up, so here he is. And we are down to our final 2 packs. We did do a double up. Now we're trying to 3-peat or hat trick. So hopefully we strike 3 for 3. If not, it's been good. So we got a Sableye, a Forest Giant Plants, a Flareon, a Golett, a Malamar, a Bolte, a Baltoy, a Porygon, a Eevee, a Reverse Vespiquen, and none other than a Mega Tyranitar EX. Oh my god, this is insane. 3 ultra rares in a row. That is a 3-peat, fellas. That is a 3-peat. Sleeve that up. Looking nice. Okay, so here is the final pack of Ancient Origin. We did go 3 for 3 there at the end. 3. Could we go? Can we get 4 in a row? Maybe not impossible. So we got a Sceptile Spirit Link, Eco Arm, Lucky Helmet, Relicanth, Combi, Inkay, Oddish, Routes, a Reverse Goomy, and a holographic rare Jolteon. So still hollow. I guess we can say it's 4 for 4. Not bad at all. I'm gonna sleeve them up really quick. Here's a small recap of what we did get. So here we go. We did get a Gyarados. We did get a Machamp EX. We got a Mega Tyranitar EX. A Trainer Mail, Secret Rare, and a holographic Jolteon. So out of 6 packs that we opened, we got 5 awesome cards. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys subscribe. Let everyone know about it. Pokemon Central out.